Hi everyone, I'm Jen Damminger of Jen Damminger Beauty here today with Chella Beauty to showcase their newest product to their product line, the Deluxe Heated Eyelash Curler. If you want to find out how to use this amazing tool along with their Good Drama Mascara, then please keep watching. The wand of the Good Drama Mascara is amongst my favorite in design. The small teeth are distributed through the entire wand, allowing it to truly comb each lash and apply the product, resulting in the most voluminous lashes possible. I like to wiggle the wand at the roots of the lashes to make sure the teeth on the wand get between lash hairs, and then rotate the wand as I comb towards the tips of the lashes. After combing product through the lashes, I like to tap the ends to make sure that I build length. The Good Drama Mascara by Chella launched last year and has honestly been my favorite ever since. The best thing about it is it's vegan, which it is extremely difficult to find a really good vegan mascara, and Chella has done it. This mascara also comes in multiple colors. It's black, blue, burgundy, and brown. The new Deluxe Heated Eyelash Curler has so many amazing new features. First, it is USB rechargeable, so no more switching out those batteries. Second, it has 3 heat settings instead of just 1. With its silicone top design, it's easier to keep clean and sanitized with as little as an alcohol swab, and it is soft to touch. This heated eyelash curler is the soul sister to the Good Drama Mascara and makes the perfect gift or will look great displayed in store by register. To start, I wiggle the head at the root of the lashes to make sure the silicone teeth are placed between lash hairs. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds while pressing up towards the eyelid. Slowly roll the heated eyelash curler up until you reach the tips of your lashes. Repeat until you have the desired curl you'd like.